Good morning, everyone. Our lesson today about ways humans have affected the environment. What is the environment? Environment, this is our surrounding. Okay? Everything around us make the environment. What are these things around us? Atmosphere, that means the air, land, and water. As you know, land and water work as habitat for some living things. What is the habitat? Habitat is where the animals live. So, environment contains atmosphere, land, and water. The power station, they're using fossil fuels and have polluted the atmosphere. They polluted the atmosphere with greenhouse gases. The exhaust fumes from millions of cars and trucks produce these gases too. Power station also produce a gas that make acid rain. So this is one way of that people destroy the environment by pollution, by using fossil fuels. Fossil fuels is that material that power station use to produce energy. But as a result, as a negative result for this uses is pollute the atmosphere. Okay? So by using this is fossil fuels, by factories, cars, greenhouse gases will come out and affect the atmosphere. Also, another way for destroying the environment or affect the environment is destroying habitat. Destroying habitats to get metal ores in the ground. So people have destroyed habitat to get metal ores in the ground and heated them to release the metals, causing air and water pollution. When factories work the metals with other materials such as plastic to make a wide range of goods, more air and water pollution occurs. So we have many ways that the human have affected the environment. Firstly, by using fossil fuels, by burning these fossil fuels to convert it to energy, so greenhouse gases come out. And these greenhouse gases affect the atmosphere. And by destroying the habitat, either for taking out some metals from the ground or for making some roads or making buildings. So all these ways have affect the environment. This is the type of fossil fuels: coal, crude oil, and natural gas. Coal, I think you know it. Crude oil, this is the original form for the oil when it comes out from the ground. So it comes out in a shape of crude oil after before they convert it to different fossil fuels like gasoline or benzene or and so on. But firstly, the original form that it's come out from the ground, it's the crude oil. And natural gas, this is the gas that we use for cooking. If you see, the car factories, all these come out with greenhouse gases. It's a very harmful gases because it's make thick layers around the earth, and trapping the carbon dioxide inside the earth, and it prevents the gases exchange, and that makes by a long time global warming, because this is will make some raising in earth temperature. How does the human affect the environment? By factories waste, building roads and buildings, transporting oil over the seas. If there is any leakage in ships and so on, it causes water pollution. As we know, water is a habitat for aquatic organism, so that destroy the habitat for living things. So what is the habitat? Where animals and plants live. By destroying the animal's habitat, humans cause extinction of this animal. Extinction means loss of a species. That means this species of animal will not be exist anymore. Okay? So this is the way that humans affect the environment, either by using fossil fuels, or by destroying habitat, or by throwing litters in roads, or broken glasses, because all these trash can cut deers and other animals and hurt them somehow, or even it can trapping the small animals inside it, and the plastic bag cover the plant and prevent them from receiving light and prevent them from making food. It's also affect the environment.